पुलिस केसेस जलेबी की तरह सीधे होते हैं। केस कहीं से भी शुरू हो, किसी न किसी तरह दूसरे सिरे तक पहुंच ही जाता है, लेकिन सीधे रास्ते पे सिर्फ सच मिलता है। बैनर्जी उन अफसरों में था जिसको सच से ज्यादा टेम्पररी सच में दिलचस्पी थी, और ऊपर से इस बार छुट्टी छोड़ के आने की खुन्नस थी उसे, वो भी एक ऐसे केस के लिए जिसमें मानो बैनर्जी के दुनिया के सारे विलन एक साथ शामिल थे। एंटरटेनमेंट होना बिल्कुल जायज था। रिमांड रूम में वो डायरेक्टर और बाकी सब उसके हाथ की कठपुतली। कापसे मर्डर केस में ये था उसका टेम्पररी सच।
बलबीर।
सर मैंने आपको आते देखा ही नहीं।
हाँ मैं अभी आया हूँ।
वेकेशन कट शॉर्ट हो गया सर आपका।
हाँ वेकेशन की माँ बहन करना तो कोई साले पुलिस वालों से सीखे। खैर आर वी ऑल सेट?
जी सर, केस डायरी मैंने नीचे तैयार कर ली है।
तुम कुछ कह रही थी उस वक्त कोई सस्पेक्ट के बारे में?
हाँ सर, वो मैं प्ले का वीडियो देख रही थी।
Are you sure they are not connected with anyone in the play?
नहीं सर, ये तो पहली घंटी बजने के भी बहुत पहले पहुंच चुके थे।
यार बट 4 लोगों ने देखा और एक भी बंदा डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकता।
नहीं सर, उनमें से एक ने तो सिर्फ पर्दे हिलते देखे और बाकी बस इतना कह पाए कि कोई आदमी आया था स्टेज पे। बिल्कुल अंधेरा था सर स्टेज पे।
When did this happen?
दो कह रहे थे कि शायद तीसरी घंटी बजने के साथ ये हुआ, और तीसरे ने कहा कि दूसरी घंटी बजने के कुछ 1-2 मिनट पहले हुआ। तीसरी घंटी का मतलब तो ऑडियंस की एंट्री शुरू।
Exactly. And by the third bell, all the actors would be in their positions, na, ready for their entry.
जी सर।
Welcome to the filming of the hot and exclusive behind the scenes footage of A Perfect Relationship. This is also the debut of ace cinematographer Randeep Rao. इस फिल्म में मिस्ट्री होगा, एक्शन होगा, रोमांस होगा और बहुत कुछ होगा।
क्या सीन है इसका?
सर अब तक के एविडेंस से हमें लग रहा था कि संदीप की ड्रिंक में किसी ने कुछ मिलाया, पर उसके अलावा प्ले शुरू होने के कुछ देर पहले इसने कोई ड्रग ऑफर किया था उसे।
जब से मैंने तेरा ट्रांसक्रिप्ट आधा पढ़ा हो ना, तब से मेरे दिमाग में एक सवाल है। तू इतना चूतिया क्यों है?
सर मैंने
You are actually answering that question.
सर
Never mind. You already answered that. Don't worry. अच्छा एक बात बता, संदीप को चरस देते वक्त तूने वीडियो नहीं ली? वैसे तो बड़ा मस्त वीडियो लेता रहता है।
वीडियोस तो नहीं ली इसने, लेकिन खुद बता रहा था कि इसकी।
अच्छा। हाँ क्या सोचा था तूने? थोड़ा सा सच बता देगा तो हम सोचेंगे बहुत बड़ा सत्यवादी है तू। हाँ बैठ। हालत देखो इसकी बलबीर, जस्ट लुक एट हिम यार, बड़ी फकिंग चर्सी। तुम लोग साले कभी होश में भी रहते हो? Where do you get your money from? Huh? Where do you get your money from? नहीं समझा? कास यंगेंद वरद, टेल मी सॉलिडा।
सर इसे बहुत अच्छे से पता था कि संदीप पीता नहीं था, ना स्मोकिंग, ना ड्रिंकिंग और ना ही ड्रग्स।
चोद, पूरे शहर में एक आदमी बचा था जो बिना अपने गांड में इंजेक्शन घुसाए खुश था। तुम लोग साले उसके पीछे भी पड़ गए। बलबीर, I'm starting to think that they must all rot in jail. Huh? I don't really care who killed Sandeep anymore now. बैठ हरामखोर, किसने बोला उठने को तेरे को? एविडेंस काफी है मेरे पास ये केस क्लोज करने को अभी. बैठा रहे सुअर साला.
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आने के बाद पता चल जाएगा कि संदीप कौन से ड्रग से मरा. अगर इसने वही ड्रग संदीप को ऑफर किया था तो.
रैंडी, आर यू लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग? रैंडी,
You can check my history. I've never hurt anyone. I'm a vegetarian. I don't even eat onions.
रैंडी.
Okay, it's true I didn't like the guy. But no one did. And it was no different with me.
Oh. Since no one liked the guy, it made perfect sense for Sandeep to die, na?
It's true I didn't like the guy. But why would it mean that I would try to kill him? You see, I like you. If I didn't like you, would I then kill you?
Oh, Mahanchut. Would you kill me? Good one, huh? Very good one, huh? Would you kill me? तो मुझे मारेगा?
Of course not. That's exactly what I'm saying. You need to have reasons to kill people. And I had no reason to kill anyone.
But you had reasons to help someone kill.
Why would I do that, sir?
Was it because he took your role away?
No. No, that had nothing to do with anything.
That's not the reason why you helped Amol kill him.
All I know is there was something about the guy. As in, wait a minute. What do you mean Amol killed him? And was it because he took my part? No. I told you, sir. I had nothing to do with anyone's killing. I am a vegetarian, sir. All I was saying is that
Randy, I know what you meant. Now just tell me what happened.
he asked me if that was the second bell.
He didn't ask you for anything. You forced him.
I can't remember if... You don't seem to understand.
Listen to me, you piece of fuck. You don't have to remember anything. It's done. He's dead. He's gone. And you killed him. You killed him.
No. No. I know I didn't. Surya told me it wouldn't be a problem. I didn't know they knew each other. Sandeep and Ivana hated each other. I told her he looked tense. So she said, why don't you offer him some of that stuff to calm him down? There was some prop he had forgotten. Something. And by the time he realized that the second bell was about to go off, he became even more nervous. I didn't kill him. I didn't kill him. The videos were made just like that.
अच्छा? डायरेक्टर ने बोला शूट करने को तो तूने शूट किया?
Ivana asked me to make the videos.
Ivana?
सर अपनी स्टेटमेंट में सिड ने कहा था कि सूर्या ने बोला था इसे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए.
No, I mean, we all decided together. But it was Ivana who first suggested it. I thought it would give me a good opportunity to, I always wanted to be a cinematographer. It was done as a joke.
How come none of it made me laugh then?
I just kept rolling. And then it just became a habit.
So much of a habit that एक तरफ लोग लड़ाइयां करते रहे और दूसरी तरफ तू वीडियो लेता रहा, मजा करता रहा.
Sir, लड़ाइयां तो होती रही. We just kept having disagreements and fights. I didn't see any harm if I just kept shooting. I thought we'll all have a laugh about it later.
Over his dead body.
He wasn't supposed to die. He just had to complete the fucking scene and we'd all be known faces. Instead, we're all criminals now. Suspects.
Suspects, huh? सही बोला तू बेटा. Suspects तो तुम लोग हो. But I could change that. And not for the good. Think about it.
You two gonna fight?
No.
Fight? Sunny and me, we're pals.
Tell me the sordid part.
If you're gonna fight, take off your clothes first. Look, Sunny.
Look, Sunny, nothing.
Hold everything, yaar. I need to change the battery.
Listen, if you don't back off, somebody is gonna get hurt. Seriously, you guys are gonna rock me so hard.
Get out of the way.
Don't move.
Arey, get out of the way. You're in the picture.
Tell me.
Seriously, knock him out. Knock him out.
I
And
need it, Sunny.
Your horses, Rehan, stop backing into my furniture. You break something, Sunny, but intelligent, perceptive person such as yourself have no need to resort to fists. Dinner is a lovely idea. Shambhu and I will just go home and you guys can shop and give you a chance to cool down.
तो यार इतनी जल्दी क्या पड़ी रहती है सब करने. React to the lines, huh? You're obviously very mad at Rehan for some what happened, right? So why are you obviously preempting your action? Let him back off, wait for it to happen. The audience doesn't need to know what's going to happen next. So let's try this again.
I have to confess, I've always hated theatre. It's too pathetic. The lights, the stage, the dialogue, the drama. Such chutiya bande. Anyway, so tell me, what do you think? How is this going to end?
Well, if I had it my way, Sunny and Rehan would realize that they were on their way to a perfect relationship.
From the videos you directed, I could see that you had to work with star-crossed lovers. That's from Romeo and Juliet, Balbir.
सर अपनी स्टेटमेंट देने के कुछ 3-3.5 घंटे के बाद ही इन्होंने मुझे वीडियोस दी थी. उससे पहले इन्होंने वीडियोस के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा था.
हो सकता है कि फिल्म डायरेक्ट करने के बाद एडिट करने का टाइम ना मिला हो इनको.
आइवाना और मेरी बात उसके बाद हुई थी. उसने ही कहा था वीडियोस देने को. Maybe she thought it's best. It's not like there's anything to hide.
लेकिन इवाना तो लास्ट में आई थी अपना स्टेटमेंट देने. फिर वो खुद क्यों नहीं लेकर आई?
शायद उन्होंने सोचा कि मुझसे पहले बात करनी चाहिए.
On Her Majesty's service. And is that why you also directed the videos?
It was Randy who took the videos.
Yes, because you asked him to.
Ivana or me, either one.
Sid said you asked Randy to take the videos. Randy said Ivana did. Ivana said that she might have, or you might have.
Well, I can't remember specifically. Randy would tell you who told him. After all, he's the one who took the videos. I really can't remember how it all started.
And you don't know how it's going to end.
Well, like I said, if I had it my way,
And if I wanted it my way, I wouldn't have had to cut short my family holiday to come here and clean up the mess that a bunch of...
I guess none of us ever get our way.
Some of us do. And usually, I am some of us. Something tells me so are you.
I just told you that
I'm the director of the play. Why would I screw my own career to settle my girlfriend's old scores? You're too quick with your alibis, Surya ji.
I didn't even say that.
Really? Balbir?
इवाना और संदीप की बनती नहीं थी. काफी बार उसकी और बाकी एक्टर्स की भी संदीप के साथ लड़ाई हुई. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ
Okay,
जिसकी
I said
वजह से.
that. But isn't it natural that I would do it?
So you just wanted to spice up your play by adding a real life villain?
It wasn't intentional.
Really? Was it not intentional?
तुमने उसे ईमेल भेजा था अपने प्ले के ऑडिशंस के लिए.
Of course not. He emailed me about the auditions. I didn't even realize it was him.
So you didn't know that when you were sending that audition call mail to sandeepthecarps@hotmail.com, it was actually the same Sandeep that you were sending it to?
He was the one who mailed me. In fact, I remember it distinctly now. It was a mail with just a profile and nothing else. That's why I showed it to Ivana. And then realized it was him.
But it was sent from your mailbox, Surya.
I'm telling you, I didn't send him any mail. If I had known who it was, I wouldn't have sent it.
So, this is it.
You have a lover?
A roommate.
Yeah.
Who? Sunny? Maybe.
You and he used to be lovers.
No.
I've had lovers. I don't recommend them.
I can guess that.
Yeah, Andy. It's just not working.
As in?
I don't know how to say this, but I'm on a timeline. This is not working out.
तो बता यार कैसे करना है? No, do it like
I
that.
don't know इतने दिनों से. It's just not working out.
Okay, so what do you suggest?
Sandeep.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Me?
See, I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I think you should try the other course.
That's cool, man.
You sure?
Of course. I mean, whatever's cool. You mean all three?
Wait a minute, you can't do that. How can you be okay with this? We're all professionals here. You can't just,
That's exactly my point. We're all professionals here, and I have a freaking play to finish.
What? But you can't just change somebody's character from a central role to a peripheral role.
Arey, it's cool, yaar. I mean, that's okay. I'm fine with it.
I don't know, I'm not quite convinced about this.
I think she's right. Can't we just try and see?
अबे जब मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो I don't see why you guys are getting so worked up about it, यार.
That's perfect, man. That's exactly what I want to hear from you. Perfect.
I don't know about this. I mean, Sandeep, don't get me wrong, it's not because of whatever, I mean, we're beyond that. It's just, I don't know. This is not.
अरे chill, यार. It's okay. वैसे भी सोच यार. From 1 to 3 roles, I get 3 roles. Get to show off more of my talents. It can't get much cooler than this.
Cool. Sandeep, can you read Rehan, please?
Okay, so what was next?
So this is it.
So this is it.
You have a lover?
A roommate.
A roommate?
Is he here?
Probably not.
It's Ivana.
You mean like Ivana?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Ivana. Sandeep and you went to college. Oh, sorry. Ivana. You see, I want to know more about you and Sandeep. You both.
We slept together.
Open. Good. That's very good, man. You know, it helps in the interrogation if the girl, I beg your pardon, if the person is open.
I'm sure.
But I was given to understand that it was he who slept with you and not you with. Miss Grewal, if this subject makes you uncomfortable, then we can.
I can only answer a question if you ask me one clearly.
Fair enough. Okay, fair enough.
What happened between Sandeep and me was messy and frustratingly incomplete.
So, has his death brought closure?
I tried his number so many times and tried to get in touch with him in so many different ways. That would have brought closure.
That doesn't quite answer my question, though.
Look at the footage and you'll have your answer about closure.
Okay, I will certainly go back to the footage with this renewed perspective. But in the meanwhile, I would like you to answer my question.
Before the play happened, I wouldn't have minded going to jail for actually killing him.
Intent. That's dangerous, madam. Baki sab to theek hai. But the moment there's intent, there's danger.
If you think intent is a dangerous thing, then I'm sure you haven't taken enacting the death scene out lightly.
What do you mean?
आपने इनको अमोल की परफॉर्मेंस की वीडियोस नहीं दिखाए?
कौन सी वीडियोस?
लगता है मिस्टर बैनर्जी आपसे इंपॉर्टेंट एविडेंस छुपाया जा रहा है।
वीडियोस मुझे सूर्या ने दिए थे। अगर तुम्हारा मतलब है कि
सूर्या
वो-
didn't do anything.
वाह मिस ग्रेवाल, एक पल के लिए तो मैं भूल गया था कि सस्पेक्ट कौन है और इन्वेस्टिगेटर कौन।
सर लगता है कुछ छूट गया है। मैं वीडियोस एक बार फिर से देख लेती हूँ।
ठीक है मिस ग्रेवाल, I don't think you're handling this right. Deflecting attention from yourself is not going to automatically implicate others.
I said that before the play happened, I wouldn't have minded killing him. That doesn't mean I would have actually killed him. Besides,
Of course you wouldn't have. You may be a strong, independent, cycling to office kind of woman, but you wouldn't get your hands dirty with murder. For that, you have your bald and beautiful husband.
boyfriend.
Don't throw your modernisms at me.
I'm not.
I'm not done talking yet. Okay. Let's just say that you didn't do it. And anyway, I'm not interested about talking about your husband right now.
Boyfriend.
Shut the fuck up! Don't push your luck with me.
If you watch those videos, you'll see how much I hated him and also eventually how we resolved our issues. As for your bad cop routine, I'm not going to be intimidated by it.
And you don't fool me with your hard-nosed bitch attitude. Miss Grewal, I can put all of you behind bars with the kind of evidence I have. Not to forget the kind of evidence I can create.
My father is a part-time consultant and a retired...
Mine never did part-time, never retired. He was a full-time asshole till his very last day. And when he died, it didn't matter who he was.
सर एक मिनट जरा बाहर आएंगे?
Hello?
बलबीर बैनर्जी के खेल से वाकिफ थी, लेकिन उसे यह भी पता था कि इन मंझे हुए एक्टर्स के सामने बैनर्जी जैसे डायरेक्टर का कोई जोर नहीं चल रहा था। जहां बैनर्जी अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए सीधे साधे केस को कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रहा था, वही बलबीर उसे सुलझाने में लगी थी। उसे मालूम था कि एक्टर चाहे कितना ही अच्छा हो, कभी न कभी अपने डायलॉग्स भूल ही जाता है।
राह पे था एक सच पड़ा हुआ, दिख रहा उसे वो दूर ही से था। फिर ये क्यों हुआ कि वो रुक गया, जहां यकीन न सच वहीं वो मुड़ गया।
Gotta move to it down. That's close to me. No, nice to me. It's afternoon.
He must be a friend of Rehan's.
Well, last night I was.
You're missing out on the You Do a Good Job stuff in newspaper.
You do a good job?
You're Sunny.
Yes, and he must be a friend of Rehan.
Well, last night I was.
Surf and cloth would work better.
Surf and newspaper.
Okay, sorry. So yeah, surf and newspaper. What just happened here?
You forgot your lines.
Yeah, I know that, but I mean, yeah, but why does that? I mean, why does he have to walk out like that? I mean, in the middle of.
He's a professional, you know, he can't hang around waiting for people to learn their lines, I guess.
We are all professionals. And the fact that he comes late and that's fine. I mean, that doesn't matter. The fact that the director is not here during the rehearsal, that's fine.
Dude, hello, listen. So I'm in charge, in absence of the director, okay? And it's just, why is it so difficult for people to kind of listen to what I'm doing?
Yeah, well, you should. Why are you telling me this? He's the one who's walked out in the middle of the rehearsal.
My point exactly. Nobody takes this seriously. You know, you all think it's a big joke, it's a big.
Listen, I'm trying to do my lines here. I'm trying to get my.
You should learn, really. I mean, it's a rehearsal, you know, you should learn your lines and then come to it.
Really? And what is the point of the rehearsal then if I'm supposed to already learn my lines?
A rehearsal is meant for us to work together as a team.
And this is working as a team. Just leave it.
अच्छा छोड़ो ना यार करते हैं यार. Let's just do it.
Listen, I don't need you to talk to me like 5-10 different people, okay? There's already like, there's no director on the scene, and suddenly like, people are behaving like, I don't know.
Fine, I don't know what you guys want to do. Amol's gone. Do you want to carry on? Because clearly.
Obviously, I want to carry on. That's not the point. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's do this again. Let's do it for the crowd.
Oh, you're almost out of Colin. You're out of Colin, in fact. And put it on the shopping list. Surf was better, you know, surf a newspaper. Good morning. This afternoon. You do a pretty good job. You're Sunny. Yeah. The roommate. That's me. Anyone visualize how it's done? Stop by some night and watch me work. Love to. So, what else did they want to tell you? Oh, he didn't say anything about the rest of it. The rest of what? Oh, you know. No, I don't. The personal stuff? Hey, listen, last night Rehan might have gotten just a bit carried away. Oh, he tried to. I kept him under control. No, I'm not talking about when you were having sex. I just wouldn't put a lot of trust in what Rehan said. Oh, he said trust was his middle name.
और कितनी बार देखेंगे सर आप? वो गया टेबल के पास, फ्लास्क में से कॉफी निकाली, पी और कहानी खत्म.
नहीं बलबीर, कहानी वहां शुरू हुई है, खत्म तो हमने करनी है ना. I think I'm convinced now. Yeah.
अगर मैं आपकी जगह होती तो ये देखने के बाद ही कुछ कहती.
यही ना, यही तो फर्क है तुम्हारे और मेरे बीच में बलबीर. बैठो. क्या लिखा है रिपोर्ट में?
सर GHB मिलाया हुआ था उसकी ड्रिंक में.
क्या? You mean somebody wanted to rape the guy?
जब वो सोफे पे गिरा तो सिर्फ बेहोश हुआ था, मरा नहीं था. और लोगों को लगा कि कहानी में कोई ट्विस्ट होगा.
Except
सिड.
Yeah, Sid, हाँ.
उसे तो पता ही था कि कहानी में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, फिर भी वो अपने डायलॉग्स बोलता गया.
कमाल है यार बलबीर. एक तरफ संदीप तड़प रहा था और दूसरी तरफ सिड अपने डायलॉग पर डायलॉग बोल रहा था.
और सर, संदीप और बाकी एक्टर्स के ग्लासेस में ड्रिंक ये सिड ने ही डाली थी.
अच्छा. या बट संदीप के ग्लास में तो कोई अल्कोहल नहीं पाई गई.
जी सर, एल्कोहल तो पीता ही नहीं था ना सर वो.
Poor bastard. ना खाया ना पिया, ग्लास थोड़ा बारा ना. Hang on बलबीर. But GHB won't kill you ना, unless of course.
हो सकता है.
नहीं, but what are the chances यार? One in a.
एक्सीडेंट.
मतलब?
एक्सीडेंट.
Are you trying to say that he was?
बेहोश पड़ा रहता और उसी हालत में
Vomiting चालू हो जाती.
जी सर.
हॉस्पिटल ले जाना पड़ता. Near death. But not death.
एक्सीडेंट.
Oh my God. Genius gone wrong.
वो कहते हैं ना सर, गलतियां तो हरामियों से ही होती हैं.
और सुधारने के लिए उनसे भी बड़े हरामियों की जरूरत पड़ती है. साधु साहब का फोन है, कॉल से।
जी सर।
सर।
और वैसे भी आपसे बड़ा हरामी कहाँ मिलेगा सर?
Sit.
Sir, I was just telling Balbir ma'am, I barely knew Sandeep. I mean, we never even...
Don't call me sir. Call me BC.
Sir... BC?
You like it?
I...
Say it again.
BC.
No. Say it like you mean it. Cool?
BC.
Better. तू प्लेस डायरेक्ट करता है ना?
G.
So what happens when someone else is directing you?
What happens as in?
अबे चूतिए, how do you handle it? I hope you don't mind.
Nahi. It's okay. When I'm an actor, I'm an actor. And when I'm a director, I'm a director.
What?
I mean,
It's obvious you don't mean. You just say and then you make it sound like you mean.
no. They're two completely different things.
Okay, this is a different thing too. I'm the director, you're the actor. You've been to school?
Of course.
What's with the of course, yeah? Huh? What's with the attitude? You think you know more? क्या बोला था मैंने? I am the director, you're the actor. नहीं समझा था? तूने ओमकारा देखी है?
Yes, sir. Sorry. I mean, BC.
You don't have to be sorry. It's just who I am. तो तुझे करीना कपूर पसंद है?
Kareena Kapoor. No, not really.
तेरे को तो सैफू पसंद है ना?
नहीं, मुझे दोनों ही पसंद नहीं है. I mean, I don't like either of them. But I had told Balbir ma'am.
तुझे बलबीर पसंद है?
नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा था कि मैंने बलबीर मैम को बता दिया था कि मैं संदीप को बिल्कुल ही नहीं जानता था.
क्या तू बार बार बलबीर कर रहा है? You want to talk about the case?
Yes, sir. I mean, BC.
You finally mean BC. Did Balbir tell you why you are the prime suspect?
I am not the prime suspect. I'm sure I can't be.
I didn't ask you if you were the prime suspect. I'm asking you, do you know why you are the prime suspect?
But listen.
You want to disagree with me?
No. But why? I mean...
You acted out the entire murder sequence in Randy's home video, didn't you?
That was just a freak coincidence. It was just a bizarre coincidence. What I meant to say was that...
That you can do anything? Just like the way you did things with Sid?
I didn't do anything with Sid.
साले, मुझे अंधा समझ रखा है क्या?
I didn't do anything with or to Sid.
ठीक है डायरेक्टर साहब, अब आप मेरी कहानी सुनिए. Let me tell you what I think really happened. You were in love with Sid. You tried to force yourself on him. It didn't work. So you turned your attention to Sandeep. That didn't work either. You got irritated. You were already irritated about the fact that a lesser known actor came in and took away your meaty role. And that's what you guys are all about, na? The meat. And when you didn't get it,
I killed him?
you said it.
That is such a weird premise. That makes no sense. I never did anything with Sid. Whatever happens in the play was scripted. My character likes Sid's character. That's all. That's where it ends. There was never any question of being interested in Sid.
And Sandeep?
I hated the guy from the bottom of my heart
Why?
because
Because what?
I don't know how to explain it. It just never worked out between us. We just never hit it off.
Did you ever want to hurt him? Is that why you threatened him with that dying scene?
I might have wanted to hurt him then, but not physically.
And you never wanted his role?
Surya was the director of the play. It was his decision. My personal opinion of someone's abilities is irrelevant.
पर फिर भी एक तीर से दो निशान. एक तरफ संदीप पर तेरा गुस्सा निकलता और दूसरी तरफ सूर्या का प्ले खराब होता ना.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Definitely not.
Don't you dare definitely me. You don't know what I'm capable of.
But it's not fair. I'm an actor, not a murderer.
Yeah. It's signed. The investigation is over. पढ़ ले. Sign कर लेना. And since you're so fond of her, I'll send your Balbir ma'am in. Siddharth Sehgal, huh?
जी सर.
I don't want him to know that we know where the GHB came from.
ठीक है सर.
उसी को खुद बोलने दो यार. लेट्स सी कितना बोलते हैं. ठीक है?
स्टेज पे सबके सामने कापसे को ड्रिंक तूने ही ऑफर की थी ना?
मैम मैंने तो ड्रिंक ही ऑफर करी.
सर फिलहाल जो भी एविडेंस हमारे पास है उसके हिसाब से कोई साफ मोटिव तो नहीं है इसके पास, लेकिन कास्ट के सभी एक्टर्स के साथ इसकी गहरी दोस्ती थी. सूर्या के साथ ये पहले भी काम कर चुका है.
सर सूर्या hasn't done anything. He's
तू कभी फ्लाइट में बैठा है?
हाँ सर बैठा हूँ many times.
तो ये बात आखिरी बार सुन ले. आपातकालीन स्थिति में दूसरों की मदद करने से पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहले लगाएं. ठीक है?
Sir, I don't know.
बड़ा थका थका लग रहा है ना ये बलबीर?
नहीं सर, बड़ा मेहनती बच्चा है. स्टेज पे ड्रिंक्स देने की जिम्मेवारी इसने खुद मांग के ली थी.
ओहो, समाज सेवक.
Sir, ma'am, I just put coke in the glass. मैं जानता हूँ वो coke था. Sandeep bought it. It couldn't have been anything else.
Oh, come on, Sid. इतना तो हमें भी पता है. Tell us something we don't know. And you know.
Sir, there isn't anything else I know.
What happened just before the second bell rang?
Before the second bell?
What happened just before the second bell rang?
Not sure I understand.
Acha? Let me refresh your memory. We all know what happened after the third bell rang? Yeah?
Yeah, the play started.
Genius. Yeah, you're right. The play started, the audience started laughing, clapping, cheering. You became a star, right?
Yes.
And then someone died.
Yes.
चल, let's make it easier for you. बलबीर, इसको हम एक क्लू देते हैं.
बेल बजने के कुछ सेकंड के बाद स्टेज के राइट में कोई हड़बड़ी में गया था, कुछ 8-10 सेकंड के लिए, और फिर अचानक गायब हो गया.
Imagine, vanished, just like that.
So, sir, who was it?
Oh, man, sure. You really expect us to tell you that, Sid?
Sir, there couldn't have been anyone walking on stage when the audience was already there and...
Except Surya.
No, Surya just wished us luck and left. He went out from the back door.
When did Surya come to see you?
It's usually before the first bell, so it must have been then.
Okay. And what were his last instructions?
Break a leg.
Acha? It wasn't let's kill a cast member whom we all hate?
No, of course not.
कमाल है सिड. तेरे दोस्त रैंडी ने तो अपने स्टेटमेंट में कुछ और बताया है. बलबीर सुनाओ इसको जरा.
There was something ominous about Surya when he walked into the green room.
क्यों भाई?
Ominous? Come on, sir. Give him a break. It was his first play.
And first attempt at murder.
No, sir. Surya was just nervous. He was just very nervous. He said to carry on no matter what and everything will be fine. Randy's a friend, but he's a screwball.
सर लगता है डायरेक्टर साहब ने प्ले के अलावा कुछ और डायलॉग्स भी लिख के दिए.
Dialogues? I mean it, ma'am. Sir, he's totally lost in his own world. Most of the things he sees don't even exist.
So you don't think Surya meant carry on acting even if something really unexpected happens on the stage? Is that why you continue to say your dialogues even after Sandeep had fallen silent?
Sir, I couldn't say anything because of the lights. I thought he's missed his line, so I went on with my line so the audience won't catch on.
Let me put it another way for you. You don't think Surya meant carry on acting even if one of his actors started convulsing on stage?
No, sir, of course not. Surya would never do such a thing.
And Ivana?
I'm not sure what you're driving at.
Don't play chore police with me for too long, Sid. We know Sandeep bought the coke, but you know someone added a little something else into it just before the second bell went off, right?
But how can that be?
एक गिलास पानी मिलेगा?
हाँ जी.
घर में कौन कौन है?
Sir, Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
Where do you get your drugs from?
Drugs?
Where do you get your stuff from?
Sir, please don't do this to me. I can't do this.
Sid, within the next 2 hours, we will know where the GHB came from and who bought it.
The GHB?
What do you guys call it? Roofies? Day trip drug?
Is that how he died?
That's not how he died. Why don't you tell me how he died?
Sir, I don't know. I was just asking.
यही तो पंगा है ना. That is why we are not able to hit it off. I am asking, you're asking. किसी एक को तो बताना पड़ेगा.
Sir, I never wanted to get involved in any of this.
You mean in killing him?
No, sir, that's not what I meant. I meant in this whole situation. It's a wonder that everyone didn't shoot each other one fine day. Like, you know in that movie, Kate? Sir, I'm being completely honest with you. Please understand.
I'm sure you are. चल. वो तेरा आइडिया था क्या वीडियोस बनाना?
Sir, Surya asked Randy to take the videos.
And how obediently Randy took them, ना?
उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है, sir? He'd do anything.
अच्छा?
You know, sir, when I went to Bangkok a few months ago on this acting project. You know, sir, I went to Bangkok a few months ago on this acting project. I'd seen these fighting fish. Have you heard about them?
How was this? Was it alright?
You're rushing through your lines. My reaction to the coffee thing is to be more realistic.
Okay, Amol and I were just talking about this, and you really look like there's nothing in the coffee cup. You know, it doesn't have to make it look like you actually have coffee.
Okay. When you're drinking out of the cup, you have to make it more real. You have to spit out the coffee and make it look natural.
Yeah, but I mean, obviously, yeah, of course I'm gonna do that. Right? There's like no coffee in this right now, so yeah, I'll do that. Yeah.
Then that's not really acting, is it?
Why don't you save that for one of your workshops?
You know, one of those workshops would be very useful for someone like you.
If you guys are done discussing about the finer nuances of acting, can I point something out?
I've never worked in another play where there are as many directors as actors.
Watch it, man. I treat you guys like adults. I don't need to interfere every time you take workshops or teaching. Yeah.
I noticed that you picked up and drank from those 2 cups while you were talking to him. Give me a killer cocktail, man.
Okay. Okay, but how does that matter?
It wouldn't matter if Ivana wasn't so fussy about what glass she drank out of, or if you weren't so fussy about what you drank out of your glass.
Exactly what I was saying.
Right, so that does make sense, okay.
Why so serious, Ivana?
Nothing.
साले अमोल ये साला सबसे बड़ा कमीना है.
Imagine what I could do if I had a real cup of coffee.
I went to Bangkok a few years ago on an acting project. I'd seen these fighting fish. Have you heard about them?
What's your point?
So there were 3 fish in the tank. The first 2 started fighting, and the third fish was just watching, patiently watching, roaming around the tank and just watching. And I was wondering, why is it doing that? After the fight was over, the third fish attacked the fish which had won, and that fish had no energy left in it to fight with it, and it lost. And the only fish left in the tank was the third fish.
Who's the third fish, Sid?
I wish I knew, sir, but I'm just saying this is how the situation is. Except that it seems like everyone's fighting, but no one's really watching.
Except you.
But I'm the one who told you the story.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. How could I forget? Ye kahani wani chhod. Why don't you tell me what you really know?
I wish I knew, sir, then I would have told you. You think I enjoy going through all of this?
I don't know whether you do or not. But if you do, I can make it very difficult for you to enjoy it, Sid.
Sir, I'm just a guy who wants to make it big in the movies.
तूने acting सीखा है क्या?
Sir, you're either an actor or you're not. I was always an actor.
Huh. Oh dear. That makes it all the more difficult for me to believe you then.
Sir, इधर आपके सामने बैठकर कोई acting कर सकता है क्या? Just because I was the villain in the play doesn't mean I'm the villain in real life too. I had nothing to do with any of it. But I'll tell you this much. Amol, Surya, Ivana and Randy, they all hated his guts.
Did they say something to you?
Randy said something about feeling like Iago.
Oh, man. संकी हो क्या तुम लोग सब? शेक्सपियर को रेफरेंस बनाकर जिंदगी जिएगा तू?
सर मैं तो किताबें छूता तक नहीं हूं. सूर्या should have thought about it. सबके सामने रैंडी का रोल अचानक से संदीप को दे दिया. And that too a role Amol wanted right from the beginning. I had really nothing to do with any of it.
Then who?
Sir, अगर भगवान जी भी मेरे पास आके मेरे को एक वरदान प्रॉमिस करे ना, तो मैं उनसे ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि मुझे एक्टर बनाए. मैं उनको ये बोलूंगा कि मुझे बता दे कि who did it.
Sid, that's cute. Very cute. मगर मुझे ना सिर्फ क्यूट कुत्ते पसंद है. तो कुत्ता है? हाँ? चलता हूं मैं. और अगर कुछ याद आए तो मुझे जरूर याद कर लेना.
It's yours.
Randy, you're the best.
I'm not hugging him, Surya.
Come on, man. What the fuck is going on here?
Look, you have no role to play in this, so just stay out of here, okay?
No role to play in this? Hello, Ivana. My name is Rehan. Does that ring a bell?
Ivana, I thought we spoke about this.
I'm not hugging him.
Okay, listen, actually, you know what? It's fine. It's not like you don't have to,
Oh,
right?
you're so magnanimous.
like Surya said, we have talked about this.
Listen, you think I'm gonna let you go so easy? No, I'm not gonna let you get away so easily.
What are you gonna do then? Kill me?
Stop bloody shouting at me.
यार प्ले में इतना ड्रामा नहीं है जितना तुम लोग यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर रहे हो. Call me when you guys are ready to rehearse. You know what? I think I'm done. It just doesn't make sense. I can't. It's impossible to work like this. It's just so much negativity, so much baggage.
You think you're gonna threaten us and I'm gonna change my mind? Surya and I are not gonna beg you to be a part of this, okay? No way.
Shut up, guys. I've had enough shit from both of you, okay? Sandeep, I don't need you to make this play happen, but I'll be as fair as I possibly can. But both actors, and I want both actors with their baggage aside. And if you can't do this, then you can't possibly do this play. I can't have bad blood.
But then does it look like Ivana's really happy with anything less than blood?
You're just overreacting. Her anger is justified, and you both know it. Tell you what, give it some time. It's not so easy to resolve these differences in a few evenings.
Resolve these differences? Surya, how could you even say that?
Ivana.
There you go. That's what I meant.
Hi. सर मुझे नहीं लगता सिड को कुछ भी पता है. वो सच बोल रहा है सर. आई एम सॉरी.
अरे बेवकूफ है साला, चूतिया.
और रैंडी तो शायद ये भी नहीं जानता कि वो खुद क्या जानता है.
नहीं बलबीर, वो इतना सीधा नहीं है. तुम नहीं जानती हो इन चर्सियों को. हफ्ते महाराष्ट्रियन. ठीक है, देखते हैं. बलबीर, कल का इंटरोगेशन तुम लीड करो. आई वॉन्ट टू सी हाउ यू डू इट.
लेकिन सर मैं.
बलबीर, मैं तुम्हें पूछ नहीं रहा हूं यार. नॉर इज दिस एनी फ्रेंडली एडवाइस फ्रॉम अ सीनियर ऑफिसर. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू इट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू सी हाउ यू डू इट. सो यू विल डू टुमारोज इंटरोगेशन. गॉट इट?
जी सर.
गुड.
हेलो वैशाली जी, हमारे सर आए हैं. कापसे मर्डर केस के इंचार्ज ही. आपसे थोड़ी बात करनी थी. आप जरा मेरा इंतजार करेंगे? बस 10 मिनट रहते हैं बेल बजने को.
Of course, I've
आप
seen the
कैंटीन
video,
में
sir.
मेरा इंतजार कर लीजिए.
Sir.
किसी क्लासरूम में. या श्योर. आप रूम नंबर 17 में मेरा इंतजार करें. जी. आई विल बी बैक इन 10.
But safe to assume that somebody just basically wanted to screw with him.
देखिए, आप एक टीचर हैं, तो सर को लगा कि आपकी रेपुटेशन को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, और इसलिए हम आपसे यहीं कुछ पूछताछ करें. सो नाइस ऑफ यू सर.
Madam, just please cooperate. As far as I am concerned, we are not in your classroom. You are sitting in our interrogation room.
कैन आई से समथिंग?
Only when I ask you, madam. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा ना कि आप अपने क्लासरूम में नहीं बैठे, अब आप हमारे इंटरोगेशन रूम में बैठे.
मेरा वो इंटेंशन.
संदीप और आपका क्या रिलेशनशिप था?
सॉरी.
मिस आपते मी मराठीत विचारू.
तुमचं आडनाव वाचून तर वाटलं की तुम्ही बेंगॉली आहात, पण तुम्ही तर स्पष्ट मराठी बोलता.
मिस आपते, जेव्हा मी 27 वर्षाचा होतो, मी शपथ घेतली होती की मी 10 भाषेत शुद्ध 5 ते 7 वाक्य बोलणार. माझी इंटरोगेशन टंग मराठी माझी 12वी इंटरोगेशन टंग आहे.
पण तुमच्या बोलण्यावरून तुम्ही पक्के मराठी वाटता.
पण तू इथे मला माझ्या मराठीचं सर्टिफिकेट द्यायला नाही आलीस. आता कामाचं बोलो. एंड एनीवे, दैट्स द एक्सटेंट ऑफ माय मराठी.
पर मैं ऑलरेडी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दे चुकी हूँ, तो रिपीट करने में तुम्हें ज्यादा तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तुम उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड थी ना. मैं एक अच्छे घर की लड़की हूँ. और
अच्छे घर की लड़की? बलबीर, कापसे का मोबाइल दिखाना जरा. अच्छे घर की लड़की इस किस्म के मैसेजेस भेजती है?
शादी करना चाहते थे हम, बट इट वॉजंट वर्किंग. प्ले के कुछ दिन पहले ही ब्रेकअप हुआ था।
क्या?
तो तुमने ये बात पहले अपनी स्टेटमेंट में क्यों नहीं कही? मैम, मैंने हमारे रिलेशनशिप के बारे में सारी बातें पास्ट टेंस में लिखवाई थी।
पास्ट टेंस? मैडम, खुद पास्ट टेंस हो गया है संदीप। व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हियर यार बलबीर? मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा। संदीप की किसी के साथ नहीं बनती थी?
सर, वो इतना बुरा भी नहीं था। पता है हमें, उसकी ड्रिंक में कुछ मिलाया गया था, उसे मारने के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ उसे चोट पहुंचाने के लिए।
लेकिन कौन? स्टेज में जितने भी लोग थे उन सबको संदीप के साथ चिढ़ थी, और आज हमें पता चलता है कि आपने भी उसके साथ ब्रेक ऑफ कर लिया था।
सर, मेरे पास अपने रीजंस थे।
मैडम, आपके पास ब्रेक ऑफ करने के रीजंस थे, किसी के पास सर तोड़ने के, किसी के पास दिल तोड़ने के।
देखिए सर, आप मेरी मानिए तो सही।
Ouch.
क्या हुआ सर?
Nothing, Balbir. Just got the feeling someone stepped on my toe.
एक्चुअली मेरा वो मानना नाही.
तुला कळत नाही का?
सर, मी तुम्हाला आधीही सांगितलं होतं. इवाना और संदीप के बारे में तुम्हें क्या पता है? मैं ऑलरेडी सब कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. थोड़ा और पास्ट टेंस में जाके सोचो. जब संदीप ने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया तो मैंने खुद जाके इवाना से बात की. He would just say trust me. लेकिन जब मैंने इवाना से बात सुनी तो उसके बाद मैं संदीप के साथ कैसे रह सकती थी? I needed to know his side of it. और जैसा उसने बताया, जो बताया, it's not convincing enough.
What had happened between them?
ब्रेकअप के बाद भी वो लोग मिलते थे, दोस्त थे, कभी कभी इधर उधर पार्टीज में मिल लिया करते थे. उसने ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं बताया, पर उस रात इवाना के ड्रिंक में किसी ने कुछ मिला दिया था. जब वो सुबह जागी तो वो संदीप के साथ थी. उसकी फ्रेंड्स ने उसे यही बताया कि ये सब संदीप ने किया है. उसने जब पूछना चाहा तो उसने कुछ नहीं बताया. एंड टू मेक थिंग्स वर्स, उसने उसे बिना कॉल किए शहर छोड़ दिया.
इवाना श्योर थी कि वो संदीप ही था?
उसके पास पता करने का और कोई तरीका नहीं था. पर उसके भागने का मतलब तो यही हुआ ना कि मस्ट हैव डन समथिंग और ही इज हाइडिंग समथिंग. जब तुमने संदीप से पूछा तो उसने क्या कहा? वो बार बार यही कहता रहा, माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेव, ट्रस्ट मी. पर जब मुझे पता चला कि रिहर्सल में फिर उनके बीच लड़ाई हुई, देन आई लॉस्ट माई पेशेंस. और उसके बाद मैं उसके साथ नहीं रह सकी. फिर जब मुझे पता चला कि तीन दिन बाद उसके बाद
बैनर्जी चाहता तो केस यही खत्म कर सकता था. अब यह जाहिर था कि कोक में जीएचपी मिलाने वाला आदमी जो भी था सिर्फ एक जरिया था. जलेबी के आखिरी सिरे तक पहुंचना अब ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था, मगर टेम्पररी सच, अपने टेम्पररी सच को कैसे छोड़ता बीसी.
सुलग सच पिघल रहा, ये थी उसे खबर था सच. थी तलाश की ये कैसी दास्तां, कोई न कह सका ना समझ सका.
साइन कर लिया?
Sir, I mean, BC, I will do anything. But please just listen to me once.
Of course you'll do anything.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean I can kill anyone.
Who said anything about killing anyone?
But then, what about Sandeep?
You got that Chersey Randy to spike Sandeep's drink so that he would start convulsing on stage. Saath mein, it would also teach Surya a lesson not to give an important role to a non-actor.
Surya and I just had some creative differences, that's all.
बहुत देख ली तुम सालों की creativity.
I'm just a regular theater guy, sir. I'm really just incapable of killing anyone. I swear.
You know something?
What?
I might just agree with you on that.
Really?
Yeah, you want to know why?
Why?
You need to have balls to be able to kill someone.
What?
Are you a gay?
A gay? You mean homosexual?
I mean, are you a gay?
What has that got to do with anything?
Oh, so you are a gay?
No, I am not. But what does that have to do with anything anyway?
I'm telling you, it's got everything to do with everything.
No, it doesn't.
Do I once again sense a little confusion about what role you're supposed to play under the spotlight?
I didn't mean to disagree with you. I am just saying, how can it have anything to do with anything? I didn't kill him.
You know what? I don't care whether you did or you didn't. The bugger had to die, he died. But you're a fucking homosexual. You have to go to jail for it.
That's not fair. And it's not even true.
Not fair? You think it's not fair? I've seen the footage. You bloody climbed all over the poor guy.
I was acting.
Abhi chutiye. I asked you to kiss me on my lips for a role and you would do it? What do you take me for? I could see it in your eyes. The way you were going after that guy. Sale gay? Harami? You like wearing police uniforms, na? Now who's having the last laugh?
So that's what this is all about.
Knock, knock.
What?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
BC.
BC who?
Bhenchod Banerjee. That's who. Balbir! Balbir!
Sir?
Take this shit out of my face.
Sir?
Balbir, don't let me say it again.
But please, sir, just listen to me for once.
This is what I want to listen to. Leave.
जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हारी.
तुम्हारे वीरू ने तो हमें सब बता दिया.
वीरू? कौन वीरू? You mean Sid?
मुझसे क्या पूछ रहे हो? जितना उस बेचारे को पता है उससे ज्यादा तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए।
I don't know उसने आपको क्या बताया। मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
तुम्हारे और इवाना के बारे में? उसने तुम्हें संदीप के ग्लास में GHB डालने को कहा था ना?
GHB?
और तुझे क्या लगा किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा?
पता नहीं चलेगा।
अच्छे से याद कर, सोनू ने भी तुझे संदीप को कुछ देते हुए देखा था। उसके बाद ही गया था ना तू स्टेज पे?
क्या हीरो?
Was that the second bell?
What?
अबे साले, कुछ नहीं होगा तुझे।
क्या बोल रही है? ओए चर्सी, चिल्लम मार कर नहीं आया क्या आज?
सोनू, I think she is in the sound room. No, I think she's in the green room.
Randy,
I don't feel so good.
not just yet. अभी तो बहुत
मर तो नहीं गया साला? बलबीर, हाँ, इसको हॉस्पिटल भेजो एंड जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट द अदर्स डोंट गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस, ठीक है? एंड क्या ये ग्रीन रूम कर रहा था अबाउट सम सोनू? हु सोनू?
सर वो मेकअप करता है।
सोनू को बुलाओ।
सर ये आपका वो फेवरेट टाइप है। आप कहते हैं ना शॉट इन द डार्क।
तुम चलो अंदर, मैं आता हूँ।
जी सर।
बोल, क्या मालूम है तेरे को? क्या मालूम है तेरे को? बोल।
साहब मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम साहब मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम।
क्या मालूम है तेरे को?
मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम।
झूठ। सबको कुछ ना कुछ मालूम होता है। कितने पैसे दिए थे इवाना ने तेरे को? हाँ? कितने पैसे दिए थे इवाना ने तेरे को?
इवाना मैडम ने मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं दिए साहब।
आधे बेंचोद।
साहब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था साहब।
तेरा हाथ यहां से हिलेगा नहीं।
साहब सच बता रहा हूँ।
कोई पैसे नहीं दिए?
सब कोई पैसे नहीं देते।
पैसे नहीं दिए थे?
कोई पैसे नहीं देते इवाना मैडम। सब
पैसे नहीं दिए थे तो क्या दिया?
सब
हाँ? सोच समझ कर याद कर बेटा। दूसरी घंटी बजने से पहले क्या क्या हुआ था?
सब दूसरी घंटी बजने से पहले जब मैं ग्रीन रूम सब ग्रीन रूम में गया तो सब वहाँ कोई नहीं था। वहाँ कोई नहीं था।
कोई नहीं था?
सब कोई नहीं था साहब।
रैंडी कहाँ था? संदीप कहाँ था?
सब रैंडी और संदीप सब अपने मेल वाले ग्रीन रूम में।
अच्छा।
सब सच बता रहा हूँ साहब। मेल वाले ग्रीन रूम में कुछ बातें कर रहे थे साहब। जब मैं वहाँ गया तो इवाना मैडम वापस आ चुकी थी। इवाना मैडम वापस आ चुकी थी जब मैं वहाँ गया।
इवाना मैडम वापस आ चुकी थी? हाँ?
सब सच बता रहा हूँ साहब। वापस आ गई थी साहब।
सच बता।
सच बता रहा हूँ, वापस आ चुकी थी इवाना मैडम।
और
सब फिर मैंने उनका मेकअप किया और बैक स्टेज पे जाके अगले चेंज का इंतजार कर रहा था साहब।
तेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं?
साहब क्यों मजाक कर रहे हो साहब? गरीब आदमी साहब, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे?
अरे कौन मजाक कर रहा है यार? जब अस्पताल जाएंगे किसी मरीज को मिलने के लिए तो कम से कम आधा डजन संतरे तो लेकर जाएंगे ना? हाँ? चलो बलबीर, रैंडी को मिलने अस्पताल। कम।
पर सर वो सूर्या।
ओहो यार, वो डायरेक्टर साहब को तो भूल ही गए हम लोग। देखिए।
जी सर।
You know why I've kept you till the end? Because I wanted to give you a chance, some time. Police walas and theatre walas have this in common, I think. That as we approach D-Day, we're faced with challenges that we are not expecting. But you disappoint me.
Just as your oh so bitchy, ever so nasty wife did. So it's possible that she could have killed him and not told you of the plan.
She just couldn't have. It's impossible. This has to be somebody else or something else.
You defend her, she defends you, and then you say you are to be treated separately.
Of course I'll defend her. I'll defend her like I defend Sid or Amol or anybody.
Even Randy.
Now you're being absurd. Now you're just being absurd.
Actually, I'm not saying absurd things. I find it curious that on one hand you missed out his name from your list of definitely innocent, while at the same time he was quite keen to indirectly implicate you and Ivana.
I don't understand why he did it. But then again, I wouldn't put a lot of trust in what Randy says.
Ah, the plot thickens.
Well, it was about that whole role switch thing. I'm sure you know about that. I just never really believed that Randy was okay with it.
But you really think Randy killed him because of that?
No, see, that's not what I mean. I'm just saying that I felt that way, and because of that, Randy might have thought that I'm holding him responsible. I don't even know if he feels that way or not. But then, that's how it is with Randy. You never know what's real and what's unreal. If Randy would ever kill anyone, it would be himself.
Randy is in the hospital right now.
What happened?
He collapsed during our second interrogation.
That asshole. He just can't handle it.
Handle secrets, you mean?
No. Please, stop this now. I didn't kill Sandeep. And Randy is simply incapable of plotting to kill anyone. He knows nothing. He just can't handle this pressure. That's what I meant. He's just screwed himself up completely. Why didn't Ivana tell me about this? Does she know? Can I go see him?
She doesn't know as yet. She will be told once we get something from Randy.
I don't understand.
We are sure that you don't understand. And that's all we wanted to be sure about. I was right about you, Surya. But you were wrong about Randy.
Randy?
And about Ivana. Look, we may have got off on the wrong foot when we first met, but let's not play games anymore.
Listen, Randy knew about my past with Sandeep. Surya had told him. He must have wanted to get back at him for the whole role swap thing, that's it.
But in the video, it didn't look at all like he had a problem. In fact, you seemed more bothered about it.
Well, I just didn't think that's how it should have been done.
Why did you ask Randy to take those videos?
I didn't ask Randy to take those videos.
So, Randy was lying. Sid wasn't.
What do you mean?
Surya. Sid said Surya asked Randy to take the videos.
No, definitely not. As in, we're all friends. So it's not like one person said, Randy, shoot the videos. I might have suggested it, and Surya also said so. You know what I mean?
And you're saying he did this because he was upset at the way he lost the role?
I can't say, but nothing else seems to make sense.
So let me get this right. Randy spiked Sandeep's drink so that Sandeep almost died in front of a live audience just because his role was taken away.
Listen, drugs tend to exaggerate situations and the decisions you take. You've seen how he behaved during the rehearsals.
Okay. But any idea who made a quick dash onto the stage just before the second bell went off?
I don't know. I was in the green room. You can ask Surya. He came to wish me luck.
That's not exactly right. Surya came to your room before the first bell went off. He wanted everyone to break a leg.
Are you kidding me? That's how you wish luck in theatre, you do realize.
You're missing the point, Miss Grewal. Surya came to your room before the first bell went off.
Listen, I wasn't keeping track of who came in, when they came in. After Surya left, the makeup man Sonu came into my room.
Then who went onto the stage before the second bell went off?
Usually, none of the actors would go on stage after the first bell has gone off. Maybe Randy forgot one of his props or something.
And while he was doing that, he miscalculated the amount of dope that was supposed to be mixed. Drugs also tend to screw your sense of proportion. बलबीर, वो किसका क्या रोल था जरा फिर एक बार बताना तो?
सर सिड ड्रिंक्स, रैंडी कॉस्ट्यूम्स और इवाना प्रॉप्स.
So, prop.
Yes.
What props did Randy have to carry on stage?
A television, a camera, spectacles, and a book.
Balbir?
सर टीवी पहले एक्ट के बाद स्टेज पे था. कैमरा, किताबें और चश्मा ग्रीन रूम में थी.
Could any of the other actors have forgotten their props on stage?
Well, Sandeep was supposed to keep.
Miss Grewal, are you suggesting that Sandeep spiked his own drink?
I'm not the cop. I can't say things like that. I'm just saying that.
Think of it. It does make sense. Considering Sandeep always had a thing for GHB. Seemed to have touched a raw nerve.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, but you would have to dig much deeper to get to my raw nerve.
So, according to you, the GHB was just a coincidence.
You want to hear a story? When I was in kindergarten, my pencil box got stolen, and I was so upset and crying so hard they had to call my father to pick me up from school. He promised to buy me another pencil box, but I wanted the one that was stolen. It was a Garfield pencil box. 2 days later, I found out who had stolen it. This kid called Rahul. He was kind of cute. He gave me back the pencil box and apologized to me in front of the whole class.
I'm not sure I understand.
I stole his pencil box the very next day. I watched him cry quietly while I threw his pencil box out of the school bus. I was caught. The teachers called my parents to the school.
So, are you trying to say that?
I'm not in kindergarten anymore.
But you're old enough to answer my question. Surya came into your room before the first bell.
Listen, I always take half an hour to make sure I've transformed into Mandy, all that makeup and flashy costumes. I was still in my normal clothes and a long way from going anywhere near the stage.
I think we're done now.
What?
Yes, that's it.
Nothing else?
No, if we need you, we'll call you. Chalo, Balbir.
मुझे नहीं लगता सर कि वो इतनी बड़ी बेवकूफ है कि.
Exactly, Balbir. Since the very beginning, she's been trying to convince us कि वो इतनी बड़ी बेवकूफ नहीं है. But those videos were taken before he died, ना? But सवाल ये होता है कि रैंडी ने इतने डिटेल में वो वीडियोस क्यों बनाए?
तो सर आपका मतलब है कि.
और वीडियोस बनाने के बाद he kept downloading them on Ivana's laptop.
और सर स्टेटमेंट्स देते वक्त इवाना और सूर्य ने वीडियोस के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा था.
और अब देखो, बार बार बोलती रहती है वीडियोस देखो, वीडियोस देखो. माय गॉड. यू नो बलबीर, मुझे दो तरह के सस्पेक्ट्स पसंद नहीं है. एक जो ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं और दूसरे जो पैंट और कुर्सी दोनों गीली करते रहते हैं.
और सर इवाना?
बलबीर, ये कमरा, ये कुर्सी, ये लाइट्स, दिस इज माई सेकेंड होम. बट इवन इफ यू आस्क मी टू सिट ऑन दिस चेयर ना, मेरी भी फटेगी. Yet she sits here as if there's nothing, so confidently. It's too rehearsed, Balbir. I don't believe it.
लेकिन सर मुझे नहीं लगता कि इवाना के कहने पे रैंडी ने कुछ ड्रिंक में मिलाने की हिम्मत की होगी.
स्टेज के अंधेरे में आदमी और औरत का फर्क करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. और अगर औरत ने आदमी के कपड़े पहने हैं तो नामुमकिन. क्या बोली थी वो? नॉर्मल क्लोथ्स ना? You're right, Balbir. She has given herself away.
केस डायरी के हाथ में आने से लेके कातिल के पकड़े जाने तक पुलिस वालों को सोचने का कम और करने का ज्यादा वक्त मिलता है. और बैनर्जी ने सच ही तो कहा था कि समझने के लिए तनख्वाह नहीं, पेंशन मिलती है. सर्विस खत्म होने के बाद शायद उसे सोचने का टाइम मिले कि टेम्पररी सच के चक्कर में कितनी बार सच को लात पड़ी. केस खत्म होते ही बीसी जीवाश्रम चला जाता और वहां जाके कुछ समय के लिए ये मान लेता कि वहां के क्यूट क्यूट से जो कुत्ते हैं वो एक्चुअली इंसान हैं। कुछ भी समझने की जरूरत अपने आप खत्म हो जाती और शुरू होती एक नए टेम्पररी सच की तलाश।
उसे खबर था सच। थी तलाश की ये कैसी दास्तां, कोई न कह सका न समझ सका। देखता रहा।